Hello everybody and welcome back to Sneaker Huddle. I'm your host John Dunlap. In today's video we're going to be doing a estimated resale prediction for the upcoming Off-White Air Jordan 5 that's going to be dropping on February the 15th for a retail point of $225 US. They're also going to be dropping in preschool sizes and toddler sizes. Just after turning heads on the Paris runway show, Virgil Abloh's latest Jordan brand collaboration is here just in time for NBA All-Star Week, when the greatest players in the world will gather in Chicago. With Virgil Abloh growing up in Rockford, Illinois, about 30 minutes outside of Chicago, Michael Jordan's legacy in the Windy City had a huge impact on the designer. Virgil opted on this Air Jordan 5 to use the OG's black metallic colorway as a base in a style that incorporates Off-White's signature deconstructed approach. The aged translucent textile on the outsole of the sneaker makes this so unique. This sneaker is deconstructed to perfection. It also consists of cutouts in the midfoot and the collar that offer an exclusive peek into the sneaker's inner workings. Off-White signature text sits on the side panel. Now these sneakers are slated to drop for $225 US on February the 12th at 11 a.m. Eastern time, and the product has been loaded onto the Nike Sneakers app as a day and drop, which means you'll have 10 minutes to enter this drawing. Now, if you're new to sneakers and you're totally unfamiliar with what exactly Off-White is and who Virgil Abloh is, Virgil Abloh is arguably right beside Kanye West as the greatest footwear designer of our generation. So with that being said, he comes out with Nike collaborations and Jordan collaborations, let's say maybe once a year. So this year we're going to be receiving a Jordan collaboration from Off-White. So obviously guys, resale for the sneaker is going to be absolutely crazy, but I am going to give some estimated resale predictions. But if you're more interested to how to cop these sneakers, I will link that video down below in the video description. I've made a very in-depth how to cop guide for the Off-White Air Jordan 5, and I'll also link it right here in the top right hand corner. But if you're more interested to how to cop these sneakers, I would recommend to go ahead and click on the top right hand corner or scroll down to the description below and check out that video. But we're going to head over to StockX right now to do an estimated resale prediction for these sneakers. Now here on StockX we have searched Off-White Air Jordan 5, and as you can see we have three sneakers here. The top three black ones, those are the three that are going to be dropping for three different size ranges and retails on February the 15th. First up here, lowest ask, currently $1,200 for the adult versions that retail for $225, and then we have the preschool and toddler pairs that are going to be dropping. So for the preschool and the toddler pairs, I would expect those to go around twice retail, and they will increase slowly over time. There won't be a ton of money to be made for these, but definitely guys, you can probably double up on your cash. But more specifically, we're going to do an estimated resale prediction for the adult pairs. Now as you can see, last transaction for a size 10 was nearly $1,300. Now that is very good for a sneaker that is at a retail point of $225, and that's why this resale prediction video is going to be very short. I would expect these to get, maybe down to $900, but I would not expect them to stay at that $900 range for too long, such as for a size 10. I would expect them to get over $1,000 very quickly. But if we do take a look and see what people are willing to pay right now, as you can see, as always guys, sweet spot's going to be sizes 8 through 9.5. We'll see a little bit of a drop off for sizes 10 and above, but guys, all sizes are going to be extremely profitable. But estimated resale prediction for sizes 8 through 9, I would expect those to be around $1,100, and they will jump back up a little bit after all the pairs do, hit the market. People get rid of them, they sell them. The prices will go slowly back up over time. And for sizes 10 through 11, I would expect those, maybe to get down to $900, and then once again, they will get over that $1,000 threshold. And for sizes 12 and above, I would expect those to, maybe get down to about $800, and they will get back up to around $900, and we will see quite a decrease in value for sizes 14 and above. I would expect those to typically be anywhere from, you know, we might see some sizes that are like $600, but then you might see one size pop off. You know, a size 14 and a half might pop off for, you know, $1,000. For 14 and above, it's hit or miss, but definitely guys, all sizes will be extremely profitable. Now, all links and raffles to these sneakers can be found down below in the video description on our Twitter account. I would recommend to follow us on Twitter at Sneaker Huddle. So if you haven't, guys, please do hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to receive a instant notification for every single time we upload new content here at Sneaker Huddle. And if you see a video here that you would like to see, go ahead and click on it. I'll see you guys there in just a little bit. Don't forget to check out that how to cop off-white Air Jordan 5 video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and hit that Sneaker Huddle logo. God bless each and every one of you and have a great day.